Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I am having an amazing day because it is my mother effing birthday. Yeah! So in today's episode, we're going to go over a couple of things. Had a question in regards to the two-link setup. We're going to walk you through that. I don't know much about it, but what I do know, I will share. We're going to weld some pipe on the back end of the chassis, and we're going to get the shocks welded up. Let's get started. Before we begin, I would like to just extend my thank yous to all you new subscribers. Truly means a lot to me. I can't believe we're coming up on almost 1,000 subs. We're almost at our goal for the end of the year. We've got 2 more months left to go. I'm pretty sure we can hit, fingers crossed, 150 subs. So I can't thank you guys enough. I hope you all are enjoying my content. And I've got a lot of big things planned for the coming, episodes of our builds that I'm doing. And yeah, man, thank you. So let's get started. When installing shocks, it's super important your chassis is leveled. Don't think for 1 second that this floor is even. It's not a frame table. I am not taking that risk. Can't tell you how many times I've trusted the floor and I've been wrong. So set a level on it, get her level, get your shock mounts level. And what I did was I went ahead and made some marks on the chassis. That's where the shock needs to go. Once I plumbed it up, this way, when someone's staring at the back of your car, your stuff's not cockeyed. Like my mounts. See the difference in space here versus the difference in space here. I'm not about to change it. I got to cut both of these off. It's just, I'm not doing it. So we're going to get these welded on, right? We are going to get our bars back here welded on. Going to get these tabs cut off. And then we're going to go over the two-link setup, how it works. So stay tuned. All right, nice and even. Used our marks, tacked them up, welded them up, good to go. All right, well, my bar's on. This one is off just a smidgen, obviously because it's a shock mount. It's not the end of the world, you ain't gonna see it. It's only to protect the gas tank. So our gas tank is gonna sit on top of that, which we're gonna cut a hole through the floor and close in, the floor. Put a fuel cell in here and call it good. Currently, I've got the pinion loosey-goosey, but when the car is fully up in its highest position, the pinion angle is positive 2 degrees. When the car lowers down, it becomes negative. And as it goes even lower, it becomes negative even more. Because the way these bars are set up, the rear end wants to twist because of the length of them. So you've got to set this thing up pretty dang close to the center, your cruising height. If you want your cruising height to be at 0, well, then you've got to set it up accordingly. So, and that's how I had this, set up. But currently it's loose because everything's got to come apart. So in any event, so the way this suspension works, okay, you've got your trailing arms, pretty simple. There's a pivot on the backside that you can loosen and you can adjust. You could see that mount and that mount is off just a smidgen because of the bolt, where the bolt location is. And the way it works is you set your pinion angle at your ride height, you lock it in, tighten it all up, and you're good to go. So without this bar in here, this stabilizes your trailing arms. So Instead, what they've done is, it's actually a pretty trick idea. It locks your trailing arms together. This can't move. Your rear end won't sway in the breeze. If you take this off, it's going to sway in the breeze. So it's pretty neat. I like it. It looks like it's a really trick setup. They did a nice job, fabbing it up. The only thing I wish was that these bars were a little longer and that they had almost like a 20-degree bend in them or so, kicked up. It would have been nice because it would have contoured with the chassis, but it is what it is. But yeah, that's essentially how this works. Pretty simple, cut and dry. Your center bar here on the angle is what stabilizes the rear. So for example, let me see if I can do this. See, I can't move this frame, move the axles. If I take it out, I'll be able to move the axles. The whole thing will be loosey-goosey, and that's no good. So I don't know if you guys have experience with them on the BELAIR. It seems to be a part that's direct fit for, BELAIRs, 50 to 54, I would say. And like I said, Switch Suspension sells them. Did a nice job fabbing it up. So yeah, hopefully somebody, that sees this video can let me know in the comment section, hey, I like it, or hey, I don't like it. You should change it, or you should add something to it. That would be very helpful. So that's going to do it for today's video. Coming up on 1,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. Mark this day down. Why is this day important? Because today's my birthday. And we're going to use this day as giving you a hint right now, because we're going to be giving money away. This day is going to be important. And those who watch the ends of the video are going to be the ones who get the reward at the end. As soon as we hit 1,000 subs, I'm going to give a $100 gift card to one lucky subscriber. So the way that works is I'm going to throw out some questions. You guys are going to answer the questions via email. Whoever gets the questions right first, winner, winner, chicken dinner. So without you, these videos are not possible. That is true and accurate information. So I'm going to pull the ripcord. We're going to sail off till tomorrow. Remember, without you, these videos are not possible. So have a great day. I got to shave, get a haircut, look nice. I look like a scrub. We'll see you again next time. Take care.